I can see that you guys say who no other hope than Maryam Justice. I can see that you guys, all your evil plans, you guys choreograph this woman as a. That is what you guys want to do. All of you, both Nkane Koto na Indonesia, both Konyo Shirais, both Konyo Kure, both all of you, my J Pipo, all these idiots, my Governor Onyosho, I can see that Uno just so wrap around this woman to get justice Uno. And I will disappoint you guys. I will come out publicly. Nobody is telling me to do this, so I will definitely come out publicly and apologize to this woman because of una nuisance city. Achogo dream kunu me godi here without this woman. Achorom kunu me something with. You see, I go shock all of una. Make una relax. I want you guys. I will come out and apologize to that woman and apologize to the husband and apologize to her kids. Na me go shock ona. Because I told them kuno bagodi all this petition onu gbekoro. Onu jide woman ezega mmiri, kunu ji aze mmiri, mande planere e woman seed, mande planere Ogechi Okeke, mande plan. Onu choro anything ni mene na, onu eji this woman, what is she not the woman in mene ya? But I'm going to shock all of you. You know, I saw Ogechi Okeke and the rest of all y'all. Now, Maga. These are these people that pretended that they made peace. Ma PJ Fashibu. All of you useless, miserable people. I will change this matter for now. Because I know that you guys are not competent enough to even do anything to Ogechi. You guys are I'm a gunu that she's my sister. You guys don't know how we started. You guys don't know what transpired. So you guys cannot. Even she belittle her status. You know, before Maryam Justice in a morning. Now I put the woman in Gabase. I put the gum no in Gabase. So now I go them come put the panunu in Gabase. Now ekputegum na the woman nwere nkapase. E wata go ona de mashi gina nwanyi ibe gi me ihe ga mata na nwanyi akwo Maryam Justice kwo ama put officially. Oh makpalata nwere mmadu Maryam Justice knows I get person but she get person e nwere ihe mmadu ebunyego na ala. E wata go ima iya wuru an ordinary person wan mi ge kume o. But I put the gum na the woman winning. I took them who got in Gabasin Kunu. I told him Kunu Gianese mini. So, Maryam Justice, I will come and apologize to your kids, and apologize to you, and apologize to your husband. Definitely, I personally will make a video and I will post it. This is what I have decided to do because it gave me who that they want to use you. You want to go? Me personally will do it. I will not delete this video. This video will be here. You want to go? So I can see that nobody don't with this woman. Maryam Justice, don't worry. If you forgive me, we made peace. Don't worry. I will be a promoter of good things. People will hear your name. I will be a promoter of good things. Forget. Muwa personally will come. Kamara zihinda. Kamara without you. Kahoge meli destiny hana amwe yuku ne menku. You want to go? I will do it. Just so but ngap achugo dem kamagudi power because so this woman na konko. You want to go? Onuji ya ne konko. Yes, I will apologize to her. You want to go? Relax, Yano. You know, go walk. Now, after Maryam Justice, now that zienu. Nagada zienu. Kambi kunu mwene. I will make a video and I will post it. And I'm sure everybody try to this woman and what haka. I get you with Tadi. I get you with Tadi. No, wait. After this woman, then you start telling me that's an egbaram. You want to go? Wait. After this woman and I, that yes, on them makagena madi begi we get kwete no name. Yes, Maryam Justice ibungabase. Yes, I can remove cap for you to tell you say yes. One you make by lagbe. E kale de oku. E kaleka. Ibuno one day I should not stop but take gom. Ekwete yes. Na person onya am kaya na etobe. You want to go? Person we don't know person because I'm going to be and poke na zakam deka. Maria be magodi na nka these people. You want to go? But gegi one ibagotere. Okwage ibagotere. Don't worry. Apamu. Ekwete no na eme. You want to go? Mu akwetere. Hapu mo she. They are not your class. You want to go? Iwishinjin. No be say at the talkam. Eshela mo gusha ishemba. Chia which I get emba. Ekwetegom. Na ekwetere mo. Ashe. Onya mo nye kaya na etobe. But the hunanda no gena azu they are nobodies. They should leave you and your handsome husband alone. You want to go? Me personally will come and make video. Come go debe da banyere mkporogo. Achoko de me mountain ke ha ga move without you. They should not rally around you and plan evil. You allow me zim na hash na ogewa. No. It's not gonna work that way. You want to go? It's not gonna work that way. So I will do just cause. Akwamuwa, muwa game. Relax is the eno. Hapu the no moku. You want to go? Ikwetere oge. Ayya. Ayya. Ikwetere go. You want to go? So hapu mo shin. You want to go? Another person. Only allow we throw on a bit, but the mashe jikpa ke mu morihe. Jikpa ke mu morihe. So I will make a video. I will conduct a video and I will post it. You want to go? So all these people na rubbish. They are nobodies. They remain nobody. Plan. Let them do it themselves. They should let you be. I should forget that one. You don't. Come on, get the fuck out. Come on, she got for you. So, oh yeah, block you. Get out. I don't fear. You know, be person the fear person. Yeah, I don't fear them. So what? Yes, I am afraid of her. So what? You know, be person the fear person. You know, be person the fear. Yes, I don't fear them. And so what? As far as you are not the one I'm afraid of, you're nobody. As far as you are not the one I'm afraid of, you remain nobody. I'm afraid of her, not you. So get the fuck out. So block you and leave here. You want to go? As far as you are not the one I'm afraid of, you remain nobody. She remain the person I'm afraid of. So deal with it. Wait for the video. It's gonna drop. You want to go? So Nazi, werezie no ngabasiko no chowazie mu. Hapuzie no ya. Tai hugodi mmiri anwuru na eshi. So actually, in respect, yes, I'm afraid of her. As far as I'm not afraid of you, you are nobody to me. Yana Dia is the people and the kids I'm apologizing to. Now, let the word blow. Tam ahụrụ Google not on a chat. Ahụrụ Google and not on a chat here. God, so achọrọ all of you. Google on a chat. PJ Fashibu, all of you miserable, useless idiots. Achọziri m kono menga basuno. Achọrọ m kono jizi kono. Kono move the mountain. Let me see how powerful and how connected you guys are. You want to go? You want to go? Achọziri m Bano jizre wuzie the power of engine. You want to go? And one day, Aqua may insult any of the woman insult. Aqua Magama, me apology. Yes, I owe her an apology. Yes. I am going to do that. I am going to do that. Yes. What I go? Onye gwa gị ihe a na-ewute gamra na ọ na-ewute ya. After all, the way page 24/7 on apụta mụ na ya na-agbawo. No. Just that she mistakenly dab into what she knows nothing about. What I go? So my dear, actually me video, huh? Yes, so her contact is strong, go. No be talk, oh. Her contact is strong, go. She get contact where pass contact. Na me talk am. You know be shocked. So go contact is strong. But I chose remove with their own contacts. Yes. You want a problem with that? Yeah. So do you guys see going with a problem with that? Contact. Actually, even na me go promote and pass anybody. Yeah, na me talk am. My contacts get level. Her contacts be contacts. You want to go? Onye Oshe madam be like, yes, I bow for her. Yes. Yes. As far as I did not bow for you, as far as I can bow, you are nobody. Yes, I can only bow for somebody where get him gabase. Only a queen bow man in gabase. Yes, I don't bow for him. She gets in gabase. She gets in gabase. He went in gabase. Can I bow for you? The answer is hell no. You want to go? Only when in gabase. Actually, let me tell you, Ashim. Onye chigu ke ewu na-eso. Onye bu igu ka ewu na-eso. Ibu igu aga m eso gị. Ika m eso gị enwe igu ibu. Yes, obu igu. Obu igu. Ekpetego m na obu igu. Ibu igu. Gịnị ka m ji eso gị? You get person. Now what? I don't bow for you. Hell no, you're nobody. Can't bow for you, nobody. Oh, yaman, and then I don't bow. You go see the video tomorrow. You go to land. I go to post them. She get them. So no, just use them. The wall and wall. Make una do na own. I want to see how strong gonna be. Whether she be real one, whether she be no be, now she getting gabase. Why can't you follow us and answer one you buamu? So no answer no one you buamu now. One you buamu so again so. Of course now, Smith. Of course, I don't know. Say she bigger past me. Other people they know bigger past me. I don't learn. I don't learn. I don't know how to because I no follow. I go make this. You make what I make. Tomorrow I go make the video and I go post time. You want to go? I will be the happiest guy. Of course. Don't worry about what she do. What she do? What she do? None of your business. What she do? Merit it. What she no do? Merit it. Everything she merit them. Hey, what I go? What I go? So, kwanchan you. Kwanchan you. Hey, what I go? Very soon, I'm gonna know the meaning of this video in due time. But all you when brain got water. So okalilunu make una go get ngabasi so oge can come and apologize to una. Una no reach. You want to go? I will be the happiest person for that. No wahala. No wahala. Na me wanna chiwem. What is the problem again? The problem is that when ngabasi. You want to go? I go do am. Don't worry. Na me na my sister. I go ndani na agbare. She better use a calm voice. Now you go tell me the voice I go use. I won't believe this until I see the apology video. You go see am now. You go see him. You go see him. Okay, make it nanya. We are peaceful, of course. Highly peaceful now. Let me block you for mentioning that shower. Oh yeah, get the fuck out of here. Come on, Shinga for yourself. Nobody, if you're gonna mention I'm in day when last name here. Come on, get the fuck out of this place, all these idiots. Shinga for yourself for mentioning that prostitute. That anwe baby you be as that shower when no get limits. Come on, get the fuck out of here, Isa. You wonyara. I block your destiny. Negi tokam. Who be nobody? Come on, Shinga for Isa. Delete you do stupid thing out of here, Isa. And they put that woman gane susu. Anako ande berano ihu banu azun. Nde you woki you one. Come on, Shinga for Isa. Ito kurun negi. Block your destiny and fuck off out of this place. Yeah, let them fight their fight and leave the woman alone. Both of you are like to be the best friend. Don't worry, she's my sister and she'll be my sister. Yes. Yes, so I can be afraid. Somebody got to be afraid of somebody. You know, get boss where the answers are for office. You know, get boss where the yes. As you don't see him now. Ogechi Njaka nna aya ikpu nnegi aya f aya otilo oge when I say I go chocolize ona no go know the angle where I go use persona una never they cry. You will still go and answer aya f they still go and answer ikpu nnegi aya fuck off for a year so Shinga for get out. Happy ya. Okay, put it on him. Imahaji Maryam Justice now warumbo ke mesh. Justice danka. Agame no gunu that you guys are nobody. The only woman standing tall who Maryam Justice. Yeah. She's the only woman I'm seeing. Every other person they are nobody. Don't worry, I'm gonna make video including the husband, including the case. They are my brothers and sisters. You want to go? Okay, one yes, I receive a lot of calls. I receive a okay, you are okay, and you are nobody and you're here. Come on, Shinga for yourself. Fuck off, Shinga for. Muneg is nobody. Get out of here. Get the hell out of here, you demons. Shinga for no. Yeah, let them come out. I don't send them. Nobody. They are nobody. They are nobody. Okay, please be careful of saga peace. So just be on your own. No. Maryam Justice is not a saga person. Just that she found herself in the midst of people who grade here. Congratulations for your courage. Of course. On your line, I should give honor to whom honor is due. When they before Kongri. Yes, she deserves it. Yeah. Irweboru then he may home me. He shake ye mama na you go. If you reach her level, shake me. I go no say yes, he deserves it. Yeah. What I go? He reach her level, shake me. I go no say you don't reach. You no reach. Then go feel it. Yeah. You watch a lot of calls, a lot of advice. My mother called me, and a lot of people, many people, prominent people got involved in this. You watch a go, so even Maryam Justice will tell you now. She was even surprised how people are reaching out and people are calling. And I said, okay, no problem, man. And a GCKJB, So a lot of people intervened before now, but you guys are nobody. Yes, I'm gonna do that. A sister, this thing has gone beyond you, you talking rubbish. You don't know nothing, so go sit down. I will do that. I owe her that. And even that, I told him email secretly. I wanted to be all bold, man, because they wanted me to do this. No. I made it on social media. I put it open there. Why can't I come out and do it? But there's nothing like secret this and I get involved. No. I would do it. Openly. Yes. Openly. Hashimi don't have channel. No, I would do it openly. I can make openly. Yeah, and I want him call outside or him game outside. I will do it. That shouldn't be a problem, you know. So Pakiano children no get news. Manda photo no day when class all this classless puno where I have 10,000 around mo nesusware when time. Miruru and Maryam Justice then okay will come out Togi Mama ni when Gabase Mama you have last name. You know, where to go, my dear? Yes, a lot of calls, a lot of people were involved, people that matters, call the people get involved, and this. So it's not no biggie. Whenever they cry, they will cry. Those people are nobody. I cannot have anything to do with those people. Then let them show me their own engabasi. You know, Maryam Justice deserve it. I will come openly. I will make a video. And I will show my love and calmness, and so my video will not be long. So I just want to leave this for you to tag her. Wait for my video. Today I will tomorrow next, but I'm a the video before this new coming week. But I run out. I will do it. So deal with it. Cry your cry and not send you. Leave the woman alone. She's not on a class. She's not in on a level. She pass the person. We pass on her. You want to go? So make gonna deal with them. You want to go? Why we know they see your face? Sure. Nepa take light too. Nepa take light too. Nepa take light too. Nepa take light so you can see my face. Are you okay now? Nepa has taken light. Okalicia, don't those comments nonsense. I thought you are in the plane coming. It doesn't matter. Don't thought about yourself. Now I know you want to go back. Try. Let me tell you. I can stay here 6 months, 7 months. You're nobody. Don't know about you want to go back. Okay? You should worry about yourself. Yeah, I know you talk. I'm gonna get here and nah, you know go walk now. You know go walk. You won't make a day here. Suffer. Don't be your jaw. Don't be your jaw. Imagine say I don't be citizen. Say Ogechi, I'm not here till you am. Don't be your jaw. Yes, I want to go back. I don't want to be here. Do you want me to be in this Nigeria? I'm not gonna get tired. No, if you want citizenship, you can't collect them. Dala. Now when I want, I'm not gonna everywhere here where people they cry every day on a daily basis. Man, you see them. They don't want good life for me. Dala. They don't make I enjoy the things I don't suffer. Nah, and they go back. Yes. This will be a very disappointing for many people. Let me see. For many people, nothing wrong for. Yes, I don't give a toss who it will be disappointed or not. Those are peaceful makers. Everybody that got involved, reach out to me, are peaceful makers. Yes. So on a pen, I don't give a fuck. Tomorrow na put up a bay. You guys that nobody. I've made up my mind and I have agreed. I have a promise. I will do it. I will do it. Deal with it. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is a serious, of course. On a way, imagine them when him will hate him. Some people can church. Yes, I go church. I gonna church. I gonna church. Church for living. Yes. Everybody manager be my brother. Yes. I will not be surprised if I see your picture, Maryam. Just show that will make. Of course, she's my sister. Why not? Imagine, Yabima Chicago may visit here, Yabima Chicago may welcome more. Is it not a good thing? Landa cholo peace. No, la cholo peace, peace, Ruyanaka. Yes. Peace we shall possess, peace we shall give. Yes. Oh, this one, this one goes chocolize many people. You see, people are still sleeping though, as long as I don't come out. You see, it's very late, but people are still waiting. Yeah. Maryam, we will, yes, we love her. We love her. We love her. Don't worry, all praise, all Ogechi praise as kata Ishina. You know, say na. Let me go hype and pass. Everything they are doing, they learn it from me. When came I, if I went came I anything. Now start that take by the way all the cow you supposed to be. Hold on. The talk. Gosh, one again. Yeah. I will do it. And that one, comments don't pass. So guys, I'll see you guys. Relax. I will make the video. Choke, you know it's small. Choke. For this will be so happy. Everybody that called me for the Ogechi, I didn't know they'll be so happy. Yes, I know people are so crazy. A lot of people are coming and is so happy for this. A lot of people will be so proud of me. So proud of me. So proud of me. Oh my God. Okay, so proud. He choke. Okay, I think say you know the fear. I think say you know the fear. You know the fear. Hey, yes, I know the fear. I don't fear for somebody now. So what? Deal with it. Cry me a river. After all of you now don't apologize finish. So why you go reach my own and don't apologize? All of you now don't apologize finish. From A to Z, do you know? Make berano ni hu bano na azo. I remember when she came out and apologized. So I apologize. All of you, barakatam pam. Una don't apologize. No Ogechi. Oh no go scatter una pamu because they say they go. All of una don't apologize one after another. So now me get the apology now. So deal with it. I give up that tomorrow with a soft sober voice. You want to go? Chai. A lot of people will be so crying. It's only a fool who, just okay, Arya. Let me block your destiny. Let me block your destiny because I know it's too painful to see me. Oh yeah. To hell with your generation. To hell. From day one, I know you have. Yes, Negi Arachage. Alright. Otilo. Shinga 4. The message is not meant for you. You're nobody. It's meant for somebody that is somebody. It's meant for somebody that is somebody. If you're somebody, then I will address you like this. Ma Bogi. Oji Louis Vuitton Gosibag Oji Golda Salo Wani Kachibe Yama Ototo Ma Onya Wototo Eda Banaka I when I go away for tomorrow now make una relax. Make una relax for my video tomorrow. Make una relax. They will saga Maryam soon. Oh, they are already crying on comment section. Are you serious? Nah, Maryam say okay. I got when you movie. Do man out by anyhow. Yeah, I'm gonna give movie. In fact, I'm gonna give movie. You go agree. If you don't get any person, though, Madam She will bring give movie. You know go breathe. You know go come outside. Now because I get people that even soliciting for my sake. If you don't get one, they will give movie. I'm not gonna go. So no wonder saga me show no face. What did they face you? Leave her alone. No. Hey. Her plasma na ishipanya. No try. Try to do that, my of course I will do it. Plasma yapa 7D rockets eye. Hey, no triamo. Okay, please, I want to happen. So after tomorrow, yes, my 6 tomorrow. You know about 7D plus 7D theater. He no go see. Hey, no one. He don't be there. He don't be there. I know what I'm saying. Michael Obi. I don't drop one. Nah, Hajizaka ha logo ha. Ha put the woman. All the evil they planned against me, Kahamezi, and let them not attack that woman. She's too pretty to be tag rubbish. She's too pretty. Oh, that's being on a Germany. That's chimpanzee on a barrier. Okay, I say for wipe line because it won't know winning. That woman get clear line no winning. Oh, I got to fear by. Ya would a chimpanzee and you get ya manage man. Make you no try that woman. Le pon weekend. I got one generation again. No, make she no even near. Ya would a chimpanzee ba half woman being half animal. Jipa Jesu weekend. Young one palachi or woman. Make you no try and go though. What I go? No, she's more than beautiful. She's more than beautiful. She's more than beautiful. The only woman I got go to yana who yana not be talker. You know what I go? The only woman I got will go to like this yana who yana gana humma. They come now. They come. Make them relax. In my they go cry. Listen. You know the funny part is then they apologize. So if forget you, well, don't forgive her more. Don't forgive her more. Don't forgive her. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. I wouldn't apologize. My brothers and my sisters. Dia, I give me many apology. Young one, I give me many apology. My, I give me many apology. Sisters, you munne siblings, yanine. My apology go round. You know be talko. You know go see am na queen. You want to go? If you like, apologize. You don't, Shagini. You sure you must come on, map and you get shinga voice. Oh yeah, Otila. F off. And I may no bury. Another may moon band open your block. I swear, this is my dream. Don't worry. A lot of people called my dear. A lot of people. You want to go? Don't worry, we have gone far. You know, it didn't just happen overnight. It has gone far. You know, Ashina Okudi Mane make on Malazu. You what tala? Okudi Mane make on Malazu. Trust me. You want to get a lot of talks, a lot of involved, a lot of many things has been said. Many. You want to go? So it is what it is, and I love it. As far as I saw you, I have no problem. Every other person, they are inconsequential. They are incompetent. They are all incompetent. You know, the woman merits it. Okay, God is you. Yes, so tomorrow, okay. The more you do this, the more we. Thank you, my love. Pressure, pray. No wahala. How many people will I say no? No, now. At a point, you need to, you know what to go. So, don't worry. Wait for it. I'm on Facebook tomorrow. People go cry. I think say that they are odd. This is I want. When you betcha, you come on, you go inside. You want your walking. Miss Maryam Justice. By then I will listen to you. Irube, so go inside. What I go? Let the cry begin. I remember that idiot on all the Google now photo gone. Now look at all the Google. When I know US, she could not even Maryam Justice. She insulted the woman. She even insulted Maryam Justice that came out for her. She even insulted the woman. No way I show you no way go to pursue the case again tapo. She even insulted she's not that woman is whoever that want to stand on behalf of that person just the wasting time. You want to go? So I show again. You know the penyon rubbish comment. I'm not having a time. Na them are the like penyon. Na them are the like penyon. Come on, Shinga for some. No one. Show Madam Automatum. Okay. Okay, I'll argue None. Very restless mogul. Very onye ka okay alali. Akwaba ala mo fili work. Enwere women biara bia so jara den potara omene. All these women that gave her voice. That idiot is a no, she's just fucked up. You want to go? Let them go and fight their fight and leave Maryam Justice alone. You want to go? They should not be using the woman na perpetuate bad things. They should go and fight their fight themselves. Don't worry, I'm gonna drop a video. I go drop a video. The thing this weekend, no, before this week, runs out, I will drop it. Let them put angry face. What's in concern us? They put angry face. I better be the whole scenario. Idiots on die with nothing to offer. They just rally around this woman. Without this woman, these people have no umbrella that will shade them. These people are just looking for where to assemble their misery, assemble their fucked up life. The same people Nashi with Ogechi, they are on their pages sharing nude. The same people Nashi with Ogechi, they are the same people writing children rest in peace. The same people Nashi with Ogechi, they are the same people ne boom match na go to mode gonna get buha. The same people are the same people got put where money boom match na rest in peace. So who the fuck are you to join to judge me? Maryam Justice or the mother rest in peace. Maryam Justice or Bumad God mode. Maryam Justice or Potara without on mother core program. The same thing you said that Ogechi did. You did it 1 million times. So who the fuck at you to point finger at me? Potakamona Gega told just leave this woman alone. I will apologize to her. Yeah. It's none of your business. Kegi. You that claim an innocence. That was why J-Pack could not do goddamn thing. J-Pack on the you came out and said that I'm an imbecile. You came out and said that my father raped me. I don't understand the thing. Onu just reach this woman rally around on a useless petition. The same idiot to say, I said, you came out when my boss came out. You came out and Jalo Mowa and use it and run program over and over and over and over again. So what the fuck are you saying you're gonna pass judgment on me? Iwonyara. Maryam Justice Oji, my private part run no program. So the only person needed in this useless running around shit is Maryam Justice. Because she never done anything contrary to everything you guys are saying. You guys are filthy. You guys are dirty. So in any moral justification of whatsoever to come out and say, okay, you did this. Who the fuck are you? Run your shit and leave this woman alone. Can you go the weight, Ibu? Because I will go wait the woman. Can you go do your weight? Come on, Nigeria will show you pepper. Come on, Shinga for you. Come on, Jet Nama Hogan. Let me block and turn a block or me another account. Come on, Shinga for you. Eh? All of you are dirty, filthy, lying demons. So don't carry this woman to dent her white garments. You want to go? So all of you that open pages, lying, bloody, sucking demons, make una go fight and leave this woman alone. Jelon ogunu. Unda dodo la buonu amuna wanne me bejela. Nda dodo na amuna wanne me bejela. You want? So you guys should go and fight. Petition unu nine dere o. Mande planning Ogechi acid o. Mande planning nyam poison o. In case of mbi a restaurant ebe ha na ere. Mande planning memenka. Go and start perpetuating, preparing, confirming, doing your rubbish. You want to go? So I owe you nothing. I will just leave it for God. You want to go? But I don't. You guys are just because 1 billion times. Billion times. You guys are demon. You guys wrote my children rest in peace. You guys wrote my mother rest in peace. You guys wrote me rest in peace. And when he who name me for Ogechi. So I got all of you that useless or Google program. Only program several times. I'm okay na Indonesia. Sorry, Vietnam. Jigalo kuga program jigi uya kuoga. In fact, uya. All of you, the same useless page during my kuga program. The people get Ogechi. So who the fuck are you to come and pass judgment? Come on, make ona use loose on herself. That's on a hopeless WhatsApp group. Ndala. Bunch of fools, bunch of useless things. Ndala, you want to go? So, make get the hell out of here. I know this won't choke, guys. Let me sleep. I will see you guys later. Bye. Love you guys. Onyola Charudo. Love you guys. See you guys. Wait for the video is dropping this week. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a talk of Facebook. Facebook will go choke. Facebook will go choke. They are fighting each other now because of saga money. Now, before, what do you expect? This Maryam Justice, my sister. You are too beautiful. You are too extraordinary. You are an, paragon beauty. What are you doing in the midst of these demons? You are not me. You are too classy. You are too connected. Abuja connection. Yes, you are right. You are highly intoxicated in cleanliness to associate with this riffraff. This good for nothing piece of shit. My sister, you are too classy for this. You are too profound to associate, to mingle. Oh my God, it is too clean for this dirty environment. It won't suffer. You need the image to sage. It is too clean. It is too clean. I'm telling you, you are too precious. You are too menge. You don't need to be around these people. Trust me. You What when they see bindal no poor, half a piece is sagi sensei, it go clean. You have to go. You don't imagine it goes like 100 and about war. Vietnam. Pota ya baga ne bebe baga do ne be bacha delete ya se e maka na ne susu odu muke barashi and white ni mangamu ya. The cats man is supposed to be go fetching for what to eat and susu you dey go 100,000 make are you not a useless idiot? Yeah? Only ke chimpanzee, half human being, half animal, no more. And I'm not Mariga Maryam Justice. No triamo. No triamo. And when I mean I'm kemo, no even triam. Ashi mini con loke. No, tell you know get anybody, nobody knows you. You know no triamo. I'm not palamwe jangu mega kegagi megota motaria gelu. No triam. Maryam Justice is quite too heavy duty. You no even fuck it. Maryam Justice, I can make her this. Yeah. Oh, bien. I can do okay. Gara Malaysia. I pass it. Ghana must go no lag. Chonhi game on we go. Maryam Justice cannot do nothing for you. A grown-ass motherfucker. Go and fetch something and benefit yourself. Ndala. Useless set of animals. Na koyeri futurely on daily this year bola akwebi tana another year ihe aka ha ga isusu down to the end of it and we keep paruru. None of them have anything reasonable. School you no go, money you no get, uselessness and unga me want chana media there but they useless man. That's why I don't have enough time. Uncle Henry scream record that with a Meg. You know, the best thing ever happened to me is just not to listen to you demons. I'm Jenna Zagazigi. Ye me update. My money here name. The Western no time I've been listening to you. Lenu PJ, Lenu Jot, Madam Bro, Madam give me make us survive. I'll pay later. Madam pay me today. Make us useless, incompetent fellow. All of them are hopeless. You got video minute today. I will call her Maryam, please don't listen to this woman. You are the only one. Maryam Justice, so you know these people. Leave them and have peace. All you need is peace. You are too classy to be among these idiots. They are frustrated, haggard idiots. And we keep paruru. You know, sorry I met you on this part, but one day, man. You get in gabase, you get level. No lele, no cap. No lele, no cap. No lele, no cap. Idiota when they talk. When they talk, coach, you run on when they talk. When they talk. Or half, and they brought Maryam already. Ta Jesuri ke drunka de when her pastor. Come on, go and cho why got me man when I give you some wiggy. Why am very soon and I kidney gonna leave a guy like you are useless already. When he pastor no way you are deleting from this earth. He was begging Egypt to call Maria. I could have wouldn't okay, meme. Okay, meme. I go after you go after your bitch. Don't worry, I will drop the video. I will drop. So this is the only one who show one here. Will I hope not harmony? This woman is the only one. As I was bad as I don't know. None this woman are bula hope and waiting that these people are gabassless. These people are levelless. I tell you, they will how. la mono, amuna one name pejela. I cannot tell Ola. Yara maga, I get chagadete, I get chigasia, I get chagadete, I get chigasia, I get you. They no get the class. Hey, I don't tell you. I don't tell you. One day, I follow Chana Matem teacher. Don't tell Ola. This is Bonanga Celeste, they be. Is that what I listened to? Is that what I spoke to me? And what did I need the water? People, a lot. I said, okay, no problem. I don't tell her not to. Mama, here we open that the wall. Of course, I will do apology to her. She deserves it. What a girl? Oh, my sister now. Now who she be? I'm a mayor this week. I will do it this week. But Queen, they have the last name. He did not really, advocated for this peace, He advocated for this peace. He did not really spoke at length. He did not is a man. I want to get when he got when he had a tuponano before he did water is a man. The water is somebody that always advocates for peace. Okay, make peace with this woman. Find a way, make peace with her. And they really did a good job. Given they carry a mania, work a cabo, man in B, and many people. Many things have been going behind the scene. Happened that, and I thought all one. And I calling, and I calling when he should not, So happened that what I'm. See, now this woman, they rally around, all of them rallied around, they plan evil. I will make the video, they go film. What I go? So through, he has been advocating for this peace. Oh yeah, there has many calls going around, Many people have gotten involved. Many people have gotten involved, so don't worry. There's nothing like peace. Peace is everything. Don't one day like this. Without me, okay, I was sorry. When you messed up, na I got put half animal, half human being the world the other day. I'm not but I didn't watch, but I don't know. They say they village out, but I'm not in that like useless man. What do you expect? Working with future. Expects. There's nothing to write home about in their lives. PG who some bad mega apology. She said today, you were the reason why she had issue with Obanj. Moa. Okay, Chikebu. We have get before Ogechi. Don't worry. Let me finish with my sister Maryam. Then I will come deal with those trash. That ain't way last name. Chere, na me make am fight Ogbanje. Hey, Mwa. Well, I am their papa na me be their mama, na me be their God. Okay, make it up. See how they apologize, so you see how they apologize and expect them to forgive their evil coven. Me, I don't decide to apologize to a woman I didn't believe that I offended to an extent it hurts her so much. Hey, but then they apologize every minute, oh. Every minute. Mama, the dog I got that small boy, mom. The dog I put Chinese today. I will put the alarm and may show me through. I'll make my boy useless old fools. They would happen. Dal, unya halari. I'm gonna make frustration. No car walk a kake. I want to buy from pages to pages. They won't be home. Hey, ego filler. This video I made to that like go choke them. They go feel it. They go feel it. Well. Okay, fentanyl now. So okay, fit destroy. Oh yeah, no. And I destroy all their marriages. Na me scatter all their marriages. Na me finish all of them. Wayward women. Emuru habana. That irrespect their old age. 2 days ago, half human being apologized to Okoto for calling him a thief. You see, they don't apologize to each other. So why won't I apologize to Maryam, my darling sister? Why won't I apologize to Maryam, my darling sister? Oh, so they can apologize. Hold on, let me pin that comment. I want to pin it so they can apologize to each other, but I can't. This time, Oge is you. Good. I see you and Maryam. She will like real sister, just like you and Ide. God bless. Thank you. Pray, my darling. Ide is our child. Hey, of course. If Ogechi feed this happen dala. Onyosha harabo pi fuck up. Okay, show you. I know they show my face, so no showing no face. So I want to sleep. Oh, she said spiritual, not physical. Oh, I'm destroyer spiritual. If I destroy Ogbanje, na me destroy John, na me destroy Philip, na me destroy the call before I met her. Na me destroy Imanonya lose the last 7 husbands before me meet here. So na the guy who pano only destroy her. John, the 6th one I met, or the 7th one, I'm mom will laugh fry pan. She akwagi. Should have been destroyed. That is what I tried to make. Okay, leave those people. Start listening to your lovers. Of course, they can't have a they are just cry. We just went back to have vomit. So no, they mentioned Onya vomit nowhere. Onya na vomit or vomit. Onya vomit nowhere. Onya nowhere. And I will destroy Peter Old too. I will they destroy everybody. I put a back on. Sister for life. Yes, my personal person. They whoa, I'm destroyed where I'm destroyed. They don't destroy themselves. This one go choke them. Everything is Ogechi. I'm telling you, that girl is crying on her sob. Let her cry, when the time, when it just Okeke Njaka don't change. They don't understand. They don't understand. Actually, I will just change you. Okay, Naija don't change you. You now laugh like after that. I know it's nothing, though. You know it's nothing. You know it's not a smart thing, no. The more they say the more people who matters. Let me tell you. You may see that what Maryam Justice did was wrong. No, she really made me met a lot of important people in this course. I have to be honest with you. Something happened for a reason. She really made me met people. Like she go tell you now. Many people got involved. Not be just they talk. But I don't want to go far. You want to go? She really made me met places I didn't even expect in my life. You want to go? So I mean, it's not a bad thing. His life is part of experience. You want to go? His experience. Finally, Ogechi. Yes, so I know bow for you now. I bow for important person. I bow for somebody that merits it, not someone like you, and we have nothing to write home about. So the bowing is not for somebody like you; it's for somebody that merits it. Everybody needs somebody. Everybody with somebody on her answers. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. It doesn't matter age. It doesn't matter anything. Yes, sir. Respect. Yes, ma. Yes, pa. Maybe that person is driving a car that you can never afford until you die. Maybe that person in an office where when you enter, you need to answer about 7 or 8 persons before you reach to his or her town. Maybe the person get something that you know that take you 5 to 10 years to get. Something must make you answer bow, and you bow for a right person, not to miscreant, not to rubbish, not to dewe or more. Ashizimunu bulitanu mbongunu kaiswanu the engine. Forgetting about this woman, make me and una swallow the engine. Chineka. Actually, me kwaka. Actually, kunu goshi godim kamba warunu. You want to go? Actually, kunu me godim kamba warunu. You feel me? I don't bow for him. The bowing cannot be your bow. Yes, and that's what kunu nyenu maka tonu ya bulienu yelu. Tonunya lift her wings because she deserves it. Onye mere queen ejishe. Yes, nne, you get on. You want to go? Forgetting that. You want to go? Don't worry. You go like my video. You go too like my video. I swear down. You may win an ante. They were a lama sign who says again whom we mama who woke mama who one on kept on unwanted being whom made the head I write the woman about. But there are very video I need to share like everybody wants to be noticed. Come on, go and get the hell out. You walking you one your mommy Naga me made the right thing, Naga me kuyamo Alema. I was scatter the right thing. The right thing must be right. Ndala. Habe no apology. Do shin and dama. Then the reason came. He did not accept the apology. Did not accept the apology. Don't accept the apology. Come and go and sit down. The Laban says so. Yeah, she cannot spend money on them. She need to go and respect God. No choice Chineke nyere ya long time ago. Only the na agbada ya na common as nda na eri. No. She's too big for nda no man. All this watered useless life. Woman kagashi, Maryam, charam 100,000. Maryam, charam mo rice. Maryam, no more. She'll be more happy now. You'll be more happy now. You what Allah? I got the more happy now. That you what Allah? So on that note, guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Guys, serve to her for a few days before the apology drop. Take care.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, tell me what you think about this video, subscribe. Thank you for watching.